Hello, how you doing? Look, going to cook some cabbage today with ginger and garlic, a really basic version. I really love this. It's kind of Chinese in flavour, but a great kind of way to serve cabbage. You know, if you're going to do a kind of side dish of cabbage, that's really tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to go straight in on this one. In there, I've got 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil that you want. I'm using a corn oil today. We have 2 cups of sliced onions, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and about the same of ginger, maybe a little bit more. And you can see I've cut that ginger into nice strips like that. Again, if you wanted, you could just be chopping that. Just put the heat on, put it on quite high, and go for 3 minutes. Next up, we're going to add some salt and pepper. Now I'm keeping this really simple today. If you wanted, you could get some dried chili or fresh chili in there, some star anise or something like that. Just keeping it, like I say, it's very, very simple. Then we're going to go with our cabbage, white cabbage. Got about 6 cups in total, 6 or 7 cups maybe. Now what we're going to do is throw this around in the pan. It's going to reduce down, so stir often. It's probably going to take about 6 or 7 minutes. You can see as it's cooked, it's reduced down in volume. I'm going to add like a tablespoon of soy here. I've got a light soy sauce. You don't want too much in there. About a cup of roughly chopped, chunky spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Off goes the heat. Let's just give that a little mix. Job done. I told you it was simple. Really delicious. And that's it. Very, very simple version of ginger garlic cabbage. Like I say, if you want, get some chili in there, some sesame oil at the end, a few sesame seeds on the top, mix in a few other veg. Up to you. Simple as can be. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.